Hello, what kind of food do you like? Do you have a favorite food? I do. My favorite food is pizza. Think about pizza. Think about your favorite food. Let's try to describe it together. First, what letter does your favorite food start with? Next, which shape is your favorite food? Is your favorite food large or small? Is your favorite food hot or cold? Is it sweet or salty? Now, let's try to talk about food, putting all of this together. My favorite food is pizza. Pizza starts with the letter P, which makes a pa sound for pizza. I like pizza because it is shaped like a circle, but then it's cut into triangles. A whole pizza is very large, but one slice is small. Pizza has many different colors on it. It has the white crust. It has the red for the tomato sauce. It has yellow in the cheese. Now, I like pizza with lots of food on it, so maybe we could talk about some other foods that are on pizza. Maybe a mushroom, which is brown. Maybe some vegetables, which would be green, like lettuce. Maybe we put some meat on our pizza, some chicken. That could be described as maybe brown on the outside and white on the inside. We could put eggplant on our pizza, which is purple. We could put fish on our pizza, which would be silver. So, pizza is usually served hot, which I like, and it's savory, not sweet. Now, can we describe other foods this way? Yes. Maybe we like banana. Banana starts with the letter B. Banana. And a banana is shaped like half a circle. Banana is not large but not small, maybe medium. A banana is not hot, but it's not cold either. A banana is sweet. So, now think about your favorite food and try to describe it to your mom or dad by using these questions.